Hello, good evening. This is JB Tigianon, your engineering and chemistry tutorial. So, welcome back to my channel. Electrical engineering pa rin ang ating pinapag-aralan. Okay, so tayo ay nasa direct current, resistance, and ohms ang ating inaaral. Meron na tayong problem dito. Calculate the length of a copper. We're having a diameter of 116 inch and a resistance of 2 ohms. Conductivity of a copper is 5.8 times 10 raise po ito sa 7, no? Negative 7 Siemens per meter. Okay, so calculate the length of a copper wire having a diameter of 116 inch and a resistance of 2 ohms. Okay, conductivity of a copper is given as 5.8 times 10 raise mo sa negative 7 S per meter. So ito po yung ating solution. Alright. I-convert natin yung 1/16 of an inch to to this value here, no, in meter. So what we have is this one. We have the 1/16 inch is equal to 1/16 inch times 2.54 centimeter. Okay, times 10 to negative 2 kasi naging meter na yan, i-meter natin. So eventually ang kanya pong numerical value is 1.5875 times 10 raised mo sa negative 3 meter na po yan. So we have our formula. Ito po ating formula. Okay, our formula is I, yung current, is equal to resistivity times the resistance times the area. So ngayon, given na yan lahat, ipa-plug in na natin. So we have resistivity, which is this guy here, 5 times 10, sorry, 5.8 times 10, raise mo sa positive pala yan, positive 7, S over meter yan. Tapos times 2 meter, sorry, not 2 but 2 ohms. Yung ating 2 is ohms yung unit. Okay, times the area nung alin, nung area ng ating conductor. Okay, and that is pi over 4, 1.5875 times 10 raise mo sa negative 3 square. So kapag tayo ay naano natin yan, crank in natin, ang ating sagot is 229.6 meter. So 229.6 meter, that is the length of the copper that we have calculated. Okay, so yun lang po, bye.